In front of me is TCL 30R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching settings and hitting Bluetooth at the top. Now you need to use this switcher to activate it and hit pair new device to see all the available ones. When you see the one you wish to connect to, hit it, choose pair in the pop-up, and last but not least, wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!